Mambo, mambo. And tell me something on the blood clean North Coast. You not tell me. You can't tell me this is an atmosphere. If I'm up on North Coast right now, I go down on the grill. Tell me now. You guys tell me. With that reggae beat. Cool runnings, Irie FM vibes. I touch down on the North Coast. Yeah, Jamaica style. Yeah, family, this song when did we lose our identity? And it's really true, family. It's really true. We're losing it. But some peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankh Eru from the Vegan Jamaican, jamtoursafrica.com family, veganchoicefoods.com family. Go check them out. You know the thing go. Yeah, family, so I'm here. Actually, I'm just pull up to get my juice. And while I was scrolling through actually Instagram, I see the most honorable Prime Minister of Kenya, Raila Odinga, has passed away over there in India family. So I was scrolling through Instagram, and when I look, I see he actually was singing a Jamaican song, family. So I said to myself that he's singing this Jamaican song, and actually I'm saying to myself that, you know what I mean, see the all over social media, see everybody are posted, family. Let me show you. I'm going to put it in the description.
I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Yeah, family. So as you guys see now, Jamaica and Kenya get popular, family. You know what I mean? Jamaica and Kenya get popular right now because of this, you know, all the
Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on a mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
you know, he's like the first prime minister, the only prime minister. The man they are around from, you know what I mean? I think his father was there when Kenya at that time was there. So the man I come from actually, you know what I mean, from, you know, the root of how actually, you know, the revolt start about actually, you know, kicking out the colonizer and all kind of thing out of Kenya. So the man they actually, the man they started, you know what I mean? So we have to give him a respect, you know what I mean, and hope that actually, you know, him in the right place and the right side of just side family, you know what I mean? So R.I.P. to the Kenya Prime Minister, you know, the Honorable Raila Odinga. You don't know the thing though. Yeah. So yeah, family, so I just want to make this video to say that, hey, Jamaica always, you know, everything, family. If a egg we have in the red and if a salt, we must stay in the pot. You know what I mean? So Jamaica get a tie on every little thing right now, because now somebody at Jamaica go see that now and say, oh, Ray, boom. They maybe find jam tours, boom, them start know about Kenya. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, these are just a small, we live in our age right now, which the simplest thing can make, even this video right now can go very viral, because I'm going to actually put, you know what I mean, the Honorable, you know, Raila Odinga actually passed away and stuff. So people are going to actually watch it and see them want to know about Jamaica, they want to know about what jam tours and them, you know what I mean? So a lot of little things, you know, the video that can create families. So, you know, just to let you know, this is just the time and age that we're living in, and you have to be able to make content like on time, like something come out and you see a little reaction between Jamaica, you have a conversation around it, you just come out and say it, you know what I mean? So this is just my contribution, and as I said to you guys, actually, Jamaica have a connection with Kenya and so forth. So if you guys want to come to Kenya, actually you can actually, the route to get to Kenya, family, easy route is to go from Mobile or Kingston to Panama City, and then from Panama City to Istanbul, and then from Istanbul to Kenya. So that's a short route, but there may be a longer route through Brazil, through Amsterdam and those places that you don't have to actually get a transit visa. You can just stay at the airport. Because when I was coming, family, I actually stay in Amsterdam airport, and the COVID time, family, and a wicked time, they almost send me back to Jamaica because what did that mean is that I never have no PCR test. So me have to I say, if you don't have a PCR test, you can't go on the plane. So actually they almost send me back. My brother, African brother from Cameroon, I come with, and you know what I mean, and him actually went back because now he's actually was there talking to the officers them and all kind of thing. So you know what I mean, they send him back. So me just there, me hold my car and wait in the hotel 2 nights and spend at the hotel over there in Amsterdam. And until them actually see me every morning come out, don't go to Jamaica back stay. So they looking at my face, I come out, and then come out and me them see the man and get tired of me. I say, alright, they're gonna take you to do the PCR test. And them actually take me to do the PCR test, family, and then bring me back in and so I get on the flight to go to my Ghana, family. You know what I mean? So I never easy time. So in a then time, so everything changed up, and now I think there's a lot of more routes open up to Africa for people to come. So actually you guys can maybe look out for that. Barbados and Nigeria have some connection, direct flight, you're dropping in Africa. All I want, you just want to drop in Africa, no matter which African country, family. Because Africa is like this, you can drive, come to Kenya if you want. You know what I mean? So it just will take you a few days, but you can drive coming to Kenya. No bother us. I don't see who have the when you think about the family, Africa now no bother, there's one thing that shape like this. There's one thing that shape like this, family, no bother. And you're going to tell me so we have so much bother? What the F? And these other European countries, we have sea, we part them and all kind of thing. England and Europe and all kind of thing. I use one currency, I use one this, I use one that. And Africa, when I have no sea and no part us. It's just one landmass. We have the most bother. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. I don't understand. It's just not make the sense to me right now when I think about the family. The country that there's no bother family around it. All of these other countries, look at Puerto Rico and the United States, they have a sea and whatever. But it's still actually in the United States. You know what I mean? It's what I'm saying. And Alaska and all of these things, still in the United States, it's not a part of that landmass. And Africa is one landmass. And we have so much borders, family. Tell me if that even makes sense. Tell me if this is not some actually, some imperialism thing or something, you know what I mean? Because not imperialism, the Kwame Nkrumah new way I'm say how them actually colonize the thing. Tell me, because I don't understand this. Because I don't understand. Tell me, family, comment in the box and let me know. Tell me. You know what I mean? There's no landmass that actually border, no border that, no rivers or everything that border another country in Africa. Every country can walk into it. They can walk into any African country. You know what I mean? There's no border like that within Africa. Even if it's a sea, even if it's a lake, you can just cross it and go over. You know what I mean? But most of these states have to take flight to go to their family. But yet still, them still use the same currency and still everything. And Africa is one landmass. And we can't say, all right, let's do the same, just the one thing. But anyway, guys, you know what I mean? One love, you bless. I'm going to go get my juice, family. You guys not giving me no coffee to buy my juice. Buy me a coffee, them say. The link is there, family. But buy me a juice, not coffee. Me not drink coffee, you know what I mean? Buy me a juice. Well, anyway, guys, one love, you bless. Jamaica. Rest in peace, the Honorable Raila Odinga. You don't know the tingo, you know what I mean? We know you're on the safer side with the Most High. All right, so let's go.